Here I am for Thermomix Thursday, and I'm doing something quite different today. I've never tried it before. I'm trialing it live for the first time, and it's a recipe that I have seen popped up in quite a few groups that I have been part of. As you may know, I have introduced intermittent fasting into my online health and wellbeing membership, the Wick Healthy Tribe, and to help manage hormones, perimenopausal symptoms, and just to balance out the changes in the hormones, because intermittent fasting is really powerful for that. My members are getting like fantastic results. Anyway, by the by, when you break your fast, it's really, really important to make sure that that is a nutritional meal. And this, I'm making 3-ingredient avocado bread, and I've been seeing it pop up a lot because it's high fat and you can stuff it. It's low carb because at different times of your month your hormones really benefit from following a low carb diet. And so I'm experimenting with making this avocado bread, which has literally just got avocados, an egg, and some type of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'm going to be making it in my Thermomix. I actually haven't even looked on Cookadoo to see if it's there, but I'm using the manual mode because I just want to also show, because often I'm using Cookadoo, I want to show how you can use your Thermomix manually. But if you haven't got a Thermomix, this is actually super, super easy just to whip up in a bowl. So, for those of you who've just joined me, I am making avocado bread, 3 ingredients, using manual mode in my Thermomix, and then I'm going to cook them in the oven. So I'm just going to take off my lid. So I have got, and avocados are a little bit dodgy at the moment, which is devastating because I love avocados. So I've got a mashed avocado here from one avocado. So I'm just going to throw it in my bowl, and then I'm going to blend that up. Okay, so I'm literally just going to make it on, I'm just going to do 3 seconds at speed 7. I reckon because I want it quite smooth, and it's literally just going to take 3 seconds, if that. Okay, so let me show you what that's done. It's mixed it up nicely. Okay, I'm going to scrape down the sides. And what I do after this is I bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Now I'm adding in an egg and some mozzarella cheese. If you haven't got mozzarella, you could just use any type of cheese, Parmesan. You could even put some nutritional yeast flakes in. A little bit of salt and pepper, because I can't do without salt and pepper. Now, here's the trick. I'm going to put this onto reverse mode. So if you hit that little blade, that puts it onto reverse mode. I'm doing it again for 3 seconds. And all I'm wanting to do is stir it up. You know, so even like, so that was 3 seconds on reverse for speed 3. God. It just looks delicious. So there's my mix, and all I'm going to do is mix that, or you just turn it down. So I've got a tray, our rose gold trays out of the mix shop. If you haven't shopped at the mix shop, go and have a look. You can put my name down as your consultant. Can you see this? Let me just turn this down a bit. And I'm making it into kind of like rounds, okay, because you can make them into burger buns. They look absolutely delicious. So I've been excited to try them. So I haven't used up all of that. I will use it all up, but just for time purposes. And then I'm just going to sprinkle over that's a little bit of dukkha with some sesame seeds in there. More sesame seeds than dukkha, to be fair. Adds a little bit of flavour. Now, as I said, I am going to bake that in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. And they come out, they don't really rise, they just come out quite crunchy. And then I'm going to put some hummus in the middle. I'll put some sort of tomatoey flavour, actually heaps of tomatoes from there, and some cooked chicken and some lettuce rocket, and then just crunch it down. So I will take a photo once it is cooked and I'll put it in the comments box below. But as I said, this is the first time I've tried it, so I'm doing it live. But let me know, what do you think? Is this something that appeals? Is a low carb diet something that you kind of follow, or is it something that's of interest to you? Now, if you're interested in learning more about the work that we're doing in the Wicked Healthy Tribe around embracing change during midlife, we're looking at intermittent fasting, how we can be balancing our hormones and doing it around your cycle, then I will put the link in the comments box below to join the waitlist. But it's wickedwellbeing.com/waitlist, and you can find out more about just this way of eating and how it really supports that perimenopausal, menopausal symptoms that we get at midlife and balancing out of our hormones. Please comment. Intriguing? Sound disgusting? What are your thoughts? Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye.